there, my name is Aadhira Kannan from Omega International School. I love to explore, learn interesting facts about animals around the world. Here I bring interesting 5 facts. I hope you enjoy this video. Number 1. A hippo sweat is pink. Hippos sweat a reddish oily fluid, something called as blood sweat. That's gross. Their skin is very sensitive to sunburn, so this fluid becomes their automatic skin sunscreen. Oh, that's interesting. Number 2. Snakes don't blink. Snakes don't blink because they do not have eyelids. That's why they keep their eyes open while sleeping. Some snakes have bad eyesight and can track the presence of animals by the heat and when they move. Also, fish have the same thing. Number 3. Frogs don't need to drink water. Frogs absorb water directly through their skin in an area called as drinking patch, located on their belly. Water, we have that too. Cool, huh? Number 4. Flamingos can only eat with their heads upside down. Flamingos are filter feeders. They use its beak in an upside down manner. Flamingos' top beak functions like the bottom beak. It means that top jaw can move while eating. Now, can you try moving your top jaw? Haha. Number 5. Dolphins call each other by name. Yes, scientists discovered that dolphins call out for each other using a signature kind of whistle. Each dolphin only reacted when hearing the computer version of its own signature. Interesting, right? I will come back with more interesting facts. Meanwhile, can you find out whether male or female mosquitoes bite us and why? Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.